Welcome to Basic Python Programming. Episode 2, Variables and Data Types in Python. A variable is a name used to store data in memory. Its value can change during program execution. In Python, variables do not require explicit declaration of their data type. Values are assigned to variables using the equals sign. For example, age equals 25. Python automatically detects the data type of the variable. Python provides several basic data types including int for integers, float for decimal numbers, str for text, and bool for true or false values. Variable names can include letters, digits, and underscores but must start with a letter or underscore. Python is case sensitive, so age and age are different. Avoid using reserved keywords as variable names. This diagram represents how a Python program is interpreted and executed to produce output. Here is a Python program that declares a variable and prints its value using the print function. When this program runs, it displays the value stored in the variable on the screen. In this example, three variables of types integer, float, and string are declared and printed using the print function. The output of example 1, declaring and printing variables is as follows. Age, 25. Height, 5.9. Name, Alice. Here, a variable named number is declared and later updated to a new value, showing that variables can change during program execution. The output of example 2, changing variable values is as follows. Initial value, 10. Updated value, 25. This example shows how to declare multiple variables in one line and perform arithmetic operations with them. The output of example 3, multiple variables in one line is as follows. Sum of A, B, and C is 21. Here we declare Boolean variables to store true and false values and print them. The output of example 4, Boolean variables is as follows. Is student, true. Is teacher, false. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these Python programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Declare 3 variables of different types and print their values. Use print function to display each variable on the screen. Exercise 2. Store your name, age, and height in variables and print them. Use appropriate data types for each value and display them using print. Exercise 3. Create 2 variables. Swap their values and print the result. Use a temporary variable or Python's multiple assignment to swap values. Exercise 4. Declare a Boolean variable and print its value. Use true or false for the value and display it using print. Exercise 5. Use multiple assignment to assign values to 3 variables in one line and print them. Ensure all 3 variables display correct values using print. Thank you for watching episode 2. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic Python programming series.